Hey everyone, we are Team Chicken Wings and our project is called WheresMy. WheresMy is a decentralized device tracking application. The WheresMy app is a solution that allows users to monitor the location of their devices like mobile phones, headphones, speakers, or any other Bluetooth enabled devices around them. Here's how it works. Let's say you have the WheresMy application and you've signed in. There are two things that are happening simultaneously. Firstly, the device automatically transmits its current location, periodic timestamps, and a unique device ID to the blockchain. Secondly, the app is designed to always keep Bluetooth on, which means it's constantly detecting nearby Bluetooth devices and sending their device IDs to the blockchain. Now here's a use case. Let's say you've added your Bluetooth headphones to the WheresMy network and you've somehow lost your device. All the devices which are close to the lost headphones will detect the device using Bluetooth as soon as the device turns on. The device ID detected will be pinged to the server, which then pushes it to the blockchain. You will get alerts with the details of the headphones and its last location. This way, WheresMy ensures that the device is ultimately found. Now, my teammate will demonstrate the working of our app. So, due to time constraints, we were unfortunately not able to finish the application. But here's a prototype that we had envisioned and we plan to build. So I'll get started. So this is a flash screen. Once you sign in, you will be able to access the dashboard. But since we don't have an account yet, so firstly, when you want to sign in, it will let you sign in with your MetaMask wallet. So for this feature to work, you will have to have the MetaMask application on your mobile phone. So now I want to register. So I will be clicking on register and connecting to my MetaMask. Once I'm connected, I will be able to view my wallet ID and connect it with the app through to the WheresMy network. So once that is done, I'll be able to add my device, my existing mobile phone, to the network, and since it's detecting my device and the model that I'm using, I can also give it a nice nickname and confirm. So this is the dashboard that I'll be able to see all my existing devices that I've added, devices that are with me currently, and you'll be able to see the status of your device, if it's on or if it's disabled. I also have filters. If I want to see how many mobile phones I've added, it shows me that I have 2 mobile phones added currently. So these are the features of the dashboard. And the other thing is I'll be able to track my device, so I can see how far it is, I can see the battery details, I can play sound if it's nearby to find it, and also my device details. And additionally, I can even travel to my phone. Live location tracking is also available, so that is one feature. I can also report my device as lost. So once this happens, I will be able to see my device's last active timestamp and last location, which will be stored on the blockchain. And the other thing is, as soon as my device is turned back on, I will get an alert message. So basically, all my lost devices can be seen under settings tab. So the other feature that we've tried to implement is map feature, where you can see all the devices that you've added on your live map. You'll be able to see every device. So you can even filter out the devices by individually clicking on that particular device. This is scrollable. And the other feature is places. So you'll be able to see a timestamp of all the locations that you've visited with your mobile phone that is registered to the WheresMy network. So that is one additional feature that we were thinking of implementing. So, and the other thing is you can add a new device. So if you want to add a new device, you'll have to detect it via Bluetooth from this app, and you'll be able to see all devices that are around you and on. So the Bluetooth needs to be on. So I will click on my headphones. I will be able to see my headphones and connect to it. I can add a nickname and confirm. So this is the whole concept of our application. Unfortunately, due to time constraints, we couldn't complete it for this hackathon, but if given a chance and time, we would definitely love to implement this. So we really hope you liked it. Thank you. Now that we know how the app works, here is some additional information about the features of our app. During our market research, we were able to compare existing device tracking apps with our own solution. We compared in-app features, business models, and data storage methods to conclude that WheresMy is the only decentralized solution among existing device tracking applications. Digging deeper, our business model would be to provide a basic version of the app for free and charging users for a premium subscription if they wish to add more than 4 devices on the app. Higher subscription packs would include features like customizable app colors and themes and also device locking. We would also generate revenue through ads. Our future enhancements include syncing photos with the user's timeline. This would allow users to view all their visited locations with the photos taken at those locations. Additionally, it will include a user analytics dashboard to display detailed analytics such as time spent on the device, frequency of travel to certain locations, etc. In conclusion, we have a strong conviction that our app can provide immense value for users to track all the devices in one place without having to worry about their device's configuration. Our ultimate goal is to bring this app to a larger audience and continuously improve decentralized applications. We really hope you enjoy using our application. Thank you.